Here's how to use Notion buttons step by step. Start by opening the Notion page where you want the button to live. This can be any page where the button will be useful, such as a workspace page, a project page, or a page connected to a database. The main goal at this point is to be in the exact location where you want the button to appear, since the button will be added as a block on that page. Once the page is open, place your cursor where you want the button to go. Type /button, then choose button from the list that appears. Notion will insert a new button block and open its setup options. If you see several block suggestions while typing, make sure you select the actual button option before moving on. After the button block appears, enter a name for the button. This is the label you will click later, so name it based on what the button is meant to do. Keep the wording clear so it is obvious what action will happen when someone uses it. Next, click New Action. Notion will show you the available actions that a button can perform. Choose the action you want this button to run. The action you select here determines what the button will do when clicked, so this is where the button starts to take on its function. After selecting the action, complete the required settings for it. The exact options depend on the action you chose. You might need to select a page, a database, or specific blocks that the button will interact with. Take a moment here to confirm that each setting points to the correct destination. If the wrong page, database, or content block is selected, the button may run, but it will affect the wrong item. If you want the button to do more than one thing, click Add Action. This lets you set up additional actions that will run from the same button click. You can continue adding and configuring actions in the order you want them to happen. If you only need one action, you can leave it as it is and move on. When the button name and action settings look correct, click Done. This saves the button and places it on the page as a working block. At this stage, the button is created, but it is still worth checking that everything behaves the way you intended. To finish, click the button and watch what happens. This test confirms whether the configured action runs correctly. If the button interacts with the page, database, or blocks, verify that the correct item changes or opens. If you added more than one action, confirm that each one runs as expected when the button is clicked. Your Notion button is now created, saved, and working on the page.